Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this beautiful 1960 convertible Corvette in turquoise with the white coves. But before we get into this vehicle too deep, just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are in Sarasota, Florida. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. We are located on 301 just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. As I mentioned, the 100 cars we keep in inventory, approximately about 80% of those are domestic classic vehicles, and then about 20% we will have European and or exotic vehicles. So we have a little of all ages, all makes and models. About 65% of what we sell we do ship out of the state of Florida, so we are very accustomed to remote buying. So if you're not in the state of Florida, don't hesitate to give us a call. We can still help you with any of the cars that we have in inventory. Just give us a call at 941-355-1955 and we can certainly help you out. Or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do offer financing for the folks that may need it or may want to finance. Sometimes it's not a need, it's a want. We can also ship the cars anywhere in the world. Sorry for the lighting as we look at this beautiful 1960 Corvette. If you are interested in this car and you want to see pictures better than what the video is right now with the lighting, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have over 75 pictures of this vehicle on our website. But let's get into this car. Beautiful, beautiful 1960 Corvette in turquoise with the white coves, white whitewall tires, the Corvette chrome wheels. It does not have a soft top. It does have a body color matching hardtop that you'll see on our website in the pictures. Interior is done in the turquoise as well. 4-speed car. Odometer shows just over 10,000. Odometer is exempt on this vehicle. It does have a period correct engine. It is not matching numbers. 283 with the 245 horse, which has the very popular dual 4-barrel carburetors. As you can see, again, period correct engine compartment. It's got the ignition shielding, correct hose clamps and hoses. Done very, very well. Paint is in excellent condition, as you can see here. Again, if I'm going too fast with the camera, please visit the website. Chrome is in excellent condition as well. Just a very, very well restored vehicle, kept very well, believed to be 3 owners in its lifetime. Just a fantastic. It's got the exhaust in the bumpers here. We'll go ahead and connect the battery as we do disconnect all the batteries while they're inside. As you can see, it will be a cold start. Get the battery connected here. Make sure it's on. Car does come with a car cover. As I mentioned, it does have a hard top. It does not have a soft top. As you can see, seat belts, 4-speed transmission. Get the right key here. Starts right up. Sounds fantastic. Make sure we're in neutral. And to attack. Again, if you have any questions on this car or any other car we have in inventory, please give us a call. 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Car sounds great. Does have a little load to it, but it sounds fantastic. Again, not too aggressive, but what you want in your 1960 Corvette. Engine purrs as it should. You don't hear any knocking or ticking. Really quiet engine under the hood. This 1960 is absolutely beautiful timepiece, very well restored. Rev it up a little bit here now that it's getting a little bit warmer. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call. 941-355-1955 on this beautiful, beautiful 1960 Corvette. This one, I'm sure, will not last long in the condition it is in. Just a beautiful turquoise with the white coves. You can see the white walls that go very well with the car. Again, just a beautiful car. If you have any questions, please give us a call. 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Thank you very much.